guys, my name is David. This is my 2004 Honda S2000. Today we're gonna install this K&N air intake. At the moment, we're gonna go out there, test the OEM, make sure record how it sounds before and after. Let's go. It's not modified or anything. Some people make some buttons modify the OEM box, but mine is completely stock. Let's see if I can give it a test over here. Traffic is still. Right now we're gonna start taking out the front bumper. Here we got the filter, the ram air. We gotta go buy the filter. I thought it was included, but I guess it's not. So I might go by O'Reilly or somewhere and get it. But right now we're gonna start taking out the OEM out, and taking out the front bumper, and after that we will see. All right guys, we got the front bumper out. It's kind of nasty. It's my first time taking it out, so now we're gonna go for the air intake, and let's see the process. All right guys, we got the top part connected already. We got the hose. We got this one connected over here. We got the clamp down here connected with the sensors. Now we got the bottom part. Shouldn't be that bad. Probably have to cut some down here, some plastic to get it in there, but we in there. Alright guys, we all done over here. This is where the filter is gonna be. I'll show you guys where it goes. It goes down here, go over here. You have to do some cleanings over here on the back, but it's not too bad. It won't hurt or anything. There's nothing there, you see. It's not touching anything, so here it is. We're gonna start it now and see how it sounds. Then we're gonna test drive it later once I put the bumper back. As you can see, everything is done, everything is installed. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna modify this right here, cut it out, so that way air can go in there whenever I'm driving the car, and you can breathe fresh air. And I'm also gonna put the grill back in it. So yeah, guys, here we go. Not too bad. All right, guys, we got the grill in there. We got the hole over there. It's not perfect, but later I might fix it later on and paint these. Take all this black stuff out and then paint it, but I don't want to do that right now. So I mean, it doesn't look good, but it's okay. As long as do the job, we're good. Now let's put the bumper on and go for a drive. Alright guys, this is it for the video. The car is driving well. It's performing really good. It looks good with the grill. I didn't have the grill before. A friend of mine gave it to me, and it really good. It looks good. I didn't think about it, but it is good. If you guys want to see more videos about the car or the build or the progress that I got, I got a big plan for this car. I haven't done with this car yet. My goal is to get it tuned, get some carbon fiber parts. Yep. And if you guys want to see videos of me driving on the mountains, going to car show, car meets, stuff like that, make sure you let me know in the comments. Appreciate you guys. Make sure you hit the like and share it with your friends. See you in the next time, guys.